Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Study with KD. So today we will talk chapter number 24, that is circle, which is very easy and the important chapter. So before starting exercise 24b, it is necessary to know the properties and what the circle indicates what and all that. So believe me, if you do without knowing the properties, you can't do any exercise, even one question also. So property is very important. So let's start. So we will learn each thing in detail so that we didn't get any confusion. So you can see here is the circle not perfect. So what you saw, that circle is a continuous path. Okay, first we should know about the circle. So circle is a path which traced out by a moving point. Okay, so you can say that it is a path. So circle is a path which is traced out by a moving point. Okay, these are points. No, it is traced out by a moving point which is joined. Okay, it is traced by a moving point at a fixed distance. When you will measure a perfect circle, okay, when you will measure a perfect circle, then it's all every direction it will come a same distance. Okay, so fixed distance around a fixed point, it is a point, so it move at a fixed point. So you know what is circle. Okay, now let's know what is a chord. Okay, when I put one line here, okay, I will mark as A, B, C, D, E, F. Okay, I marked like that. So I think that you know what is circumference, that it is a path, okay, called circumference. Okay, what is a chord? Now the question is, what is chord? So chord is a line segment joining both the side of circumference of a circle. So chord, it is a chord. This is also chord, but this one not, because it is joining at a center. Okay, at a center, that's why it is a largest chord also called. अगर यहाँ से ऊपर हम जाते रहेंगे तो भी छोटा होता रहेगा, यहाँ से जाते रहेंगे तो भी, लेकिन एक यही पॉइंट है पूरे सर्कल में जहाँ पे एक फिक्स्ड आपको फिक्स्ड chord मिलेगा. That's why it is also called largest chord or diameter. Usually we use the word that is diameter. Okay, diameter. Now the question, how we can define diameter? So we can say diameter is a line segment joining both sides at a circumference of circle, which is also called a largest chord. Okay, so we can say like that. Or the main point that we use, that at a center, joining a circumference of circle from center. Okay, now what is sescent? I hope circle, chord and the largest chord, we can also say diameter, you learn, you can understand easily through my explanation. So let's move to the next, that is sescent. You know that it is a chord. Okay, but when this chord cut a circle into two different parts, if it will cut, this is called sescent. This is called sescent. Okay, now when a chord, or we can say sescent, is a line segment cutting a circle into two different points in a circumference of circle. Okay, so now the time is to know what is major and the minor. The smallest part of a circle is called minor, whereas a largest part is called major circle. And one more thing, when any chord or the sescent cutting a circle into two different parts, the smallest part is called minor circle and what the largest circle will come, we will call as major circle. Okay, I hope so this is very clear to you all. So let's know what is sector now. So we have learned many things. So I am hoping you that the path of circle is called circumference. I hope that you know already because you are studying class 8. And the second one is what? When. Not when. This is called radius. Okay. And this is a single. But when two radius, it is called as radii. Okay. I hope that you know all these things. Okay. So I hope so. Okay. Now this is a radius and I am making radii, means two radius, more than one radius called radii. So two radii, we can say we are now forming sector. We are learning now sector. So we can define sector. Sector is two radii dividing circle into 2 points, 1 point and the 2 point. Okay, or we can say part. It is, yes, part is good. So sector is two radii which is cutting circle into two different part. Okay, now one more thing, that this is a circle. The area which is covered by the circle, it is called, see, like that. Okay, the area which is covered by the circle, it is called arc. This also and this also both covered by a circle only. Oops, this is only called what? Arc. Arc is also of two types, which you already know, learn, that is minor arc and this is major arc. Okay, so we can define arc that area covered by circle is called arc. Okay, area covered by a small arc is called minor arc. Area covered by a largest arc called major arc. Okay, so the next topic which is given in your book is that tangent. What? Tangent. Okay, now the question is, what is a tangent? Okay, tangent is a straight line. This is a tangent. It's a straight line. Okay, that joins circle with a point, जो कि circle को एक point से connect करती है, join करती है. So it is called tangent, this straight line. But the point which is connected with a circle or join with a circle, that we called point of tangency or point of contact, means where they both are contacting with each other. Okay, this point and this point called point of tangency, or we can say contact, and the straight line which joins circle with a point, it is called tangent. I hope so this is very clear to you all. Okay. Now I want to share you about theorem. तो थ्योरम क्या होता है? कोई भी मैथ का फॉर्मूला जब आपका ज्योमेट्री में आके बनता है कोई फॉर्म, उसको कहते हैं थ्योरम. एंड वी कैन डिफाइन थ्योरम एज, थ्योरम इज अ, we can write theorem is a proven statement. Proven statement conclusion given to some reason. Okay, we can define theorem like that. That theorem is a proven statement, okay, conclusion given to some reason. Okay, these only topics which I taught you in this video is only in your book, and these property you have to know. Because of that only I make diagram, show every word which I am telling, okay, each and every word. So I hope this video is very very useful to us, okay, for you, not me, because I already know. So in this video we learned about the circle, chord, two line segment joining circumference, okay, of circle, diameter, largest chord, sacent, major circle and the minor circle, sector, arc,